The fact that the ancient Dogon people could detect Sirius B, called Sigitolu, means that they had a clear astrophysical understanding of this star system just to detect it alone. The star Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky. It has a magnitude of minus 1.46. The magnitude refers to the brightness of the star or other celestial bodies. The brighter the object, the lower the magnitude, at least the numbers assigned to it. So the brighter an object appears, the lower the value of its magnitude. The brightest objects in the sky are negative in number. In ancient astronomy, we observe both apparent magnitude and absolute magnitude. Apparent magnitude is the brightness of an object as it appears in the sky from Earth.
Sign up today for the Rudiments of Ancient Astronomy course and take advantage of our 50% off. The 50% discount is for a limited time, and you will receive the full course for only $99.99 United States dollars. The Rudiments of Ancient Astronomy, professionally done. The graphics are definitely top-notch. Email us, priestisaacInstitute@gmail.com. Designed for the mature mind and also for the young thinker.
Before we begin, be sure to share the video. Sharing the video is very easy. Attached to this video is the share button. Press it. Copy the link or choose a social media platform and share the video. Thank you in advance. This will encourage more people to see this video. Full joy, the program. Introducing Ethiopia's Freedom Tours. What is an Ethiopian Freedom Tour? We are giving you the opportunity to visit us in Ethiopia on your terms. You pick the date, summer, spring, October, or December. It's your choice. 3 days, 5 days, 7 or 9 days. It's your choice. Several options to choose from. Tour Addis Ababa. Tour Shashamani, Hawassa and Wando Genet, Lalibela and Aksum, or a combination of them all. It's all up to you. Need more information? Check our Freedom Tour booklet. Press the link in the description or email us at priestisaacInstitute@gmail.com. Ethiopia Freedom Tours. When will you be coming? Our royal family, this evening I want to begin by looking at the subject area that I brought up. Maybe you could call it a topic that I put on the table a few days ago when I did a YouTube video as it related to Haile Selassie I and him denying himself being God and all of that stuff. But anyway, the point that was made in that video was that the Ethiopian people, the ancient astronomers of Ethiopia, referred to the Orion belt constellation as Selassie. And I clearly highlighted that Selassie is obviously the Ethiopian word for the Trinity, the Holy Trinity. And because of the 3 stars in the belt of Orion, hence the name Selassie. I even went as far as to clarify that I didn't say that they called it Haile Selassie. They called it Selassie. Selassie is a big term in Ethiopia. Again, it means the Holy Trinity. But of course, there were those who were saying, oh, I am just making that up. Go across social media. You'll see the comments or he's just trying to add his own vibes to it. So again, it brought me back to the past when people used to say, I made up this stuff. You know, when we were linking Haile Selassie to Orion, some people even went as far as to say, you never heard that anywhere else before. He's the only one who speaks that stuff, which is true, you know, at least at that time. But anyway, royal family, we have come full circle. This is my point. You see, the Orion link with Haile Selassie is no joke. It's not just Osiris and the story of the resurrection. It goes deep into precise, accurate astronomy. We did a program on this about a year and a half ago, showing you how Orion, the constellation Sahu, came from the southern celestial sky over thousands of years. I'm talking about 20,000 years to the point where it is now, as the Lord of the heavens, half on the north and half on the south. Remember, that was not always the case. That came into fulfillment during the time of the coming in of Haile Selassie I. So this is deep, ancient astronomy. They don't speak of that in Ethiopia. They just refer to the Orion as Selassie. But anyway, I want to prove that to you now. I'm going to present to you one of the representatives from the Ethiopian Space Science Society. They're the ones that deal with all the, aspects of astronomy and the future of Ethiopia and space travel and space research and all of that good jazz. They're even connected directly to the planetarium, that is the dome. And of course, you also have what is considered to be the largest space observatory right here in Ethiopia, in the Entoto Mountains, one of my favorite places. So this ain't no joke, family. This is astronomy, ancient astronomy and modern astronomy right here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. I want you to listen to this keenly. Tell me what you hear.
Hello everyone, greetings from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. My name is Mr. Mariam, and I'm here with my colleagues from the Ethiopian Space Science and Geospatial Institutes. We are speaking to you from the Dodo Observatory, the first space observatory in East Africa, right here in the highlands of Addis Ababa.
The first space observatory here in East Africa, right here in the highlands above Addis Ababa, which is the Entoto Mountains. That's where she's speaking to you from. So listen to what she has to say.
And I'm here with my colleagues from the Ethiopian Space Science and Geospatial Institutes. We are speaking to you from the Dodo Observatory, the first space observatory in East Africa, right here in the highlands of Addis Ababa. Today, we want to share not only our sky, but also our story. In Ethiopia, stars have always guided us. Selassie, or the Trinity, are named for the Orion's belt, told our farmers when the rainy season was coming.
You got that? Selassie, or the Holy Trinity, our name for the Orion's belt, told our farmers when the rainy season was coming. Again, this is not philosophy. This is not me or her or anyone trying to prove that the Orion's constellation is directly connected to Emperor Haile Selassie I. We're not trying to prove that. That has been proven over a decade ago and cannot be disputed. I am just showing you once again, full circle. We just learned this as we have been dealing with ancient astronomy here in Ethiopia, and of course, meeting professors and individual astronomers and scientists. What a joy. And again, the Ethiopians from the ancient time, you heard it for yourself, you cannot deny it, referred to the Orion Belt constellation. The Kemetic people referred to it as Sahu, but the ancient Ethiopians referred to the Orion's belt as Selassie. Tiger's Nest.
Blessed love, honorable priest Isaac, it's Sister Beulah here. Just come to share a few words regarding my natal chart, which was recently done. Thank you. But firstly, I have to make mention of the rudiments of ancient astronomy course that I completed, which ultimately woke my heavens to astronomy as a subject as a whole, and the ancient fundamentals of the universe, planets, stars, and all the other beautiful things I'm learning about. Yeah, the spring equinox, really like that. And just the effect that they have on us daily. Why I think it's really important you have some basic knowledge of astronomy before you get your natal chart reading done is so you will understand the straightforward mathematics that goes into the reading that Priest Isaac does for you. The natal chart reading is nothing to be viewed with any taboo or spookism. It just offers an in-depth astrological reading of the heavens at your time of birth, and the way the Honourable Priest Isaac is able to break down the planetary alignments and interpret how they should be showing up through you as an individual is just mind-blowing and accurate to your character. Trust me, it just adds deeper meaning to self. For me personally, getting my natal chart reading done and embarking on the principles of ancient astronomy as an ongoing study daily has been the best thing I could have ever done for me and my children. Rastafari. For these few words, I'm very thankful, and for crossing paths with the Priest Isaac Institute, I will forever be grateful for. Rastafari, Empress Menensil, blessed love. Thank you.
Nearly half the population of Ethiopia now is under the age of 15, and for Haile Selassie their education has always been an obsession.
Salam Nacho to all Ethiopian religious children and parents. Introducing the Priest Isaac's Institute of Holistic Knowledge Ethiopian History Essay Competition from the 5th of May to the 2nd of November 2026.
He's taken personal charge of the Ministry of Education, sought teachers and money for more schools from half the countries in the world, and turned one of his palaces into a university.
Children 7 to 17 will write an essay entitled "What Does Ethiopian History Mean to Me?" Prizes such as laptops and tablets to be won, trips to the Science Museum, Unity Park, and others for the full class of the winners from Aksum Lalibela. Menelik I and Menelik II, Ethiopia's history is amongst the richest in the world. For more information, join us on most social media platforms at Priest Isaac, or email us at priestisaacinstitute@gmail.com. The Ethiopian History Essay Competition. Know your heritage.
He's directly responsible for whatever schooling these youngsters get.
To everyone who has been asking, Priest Isaac, how can I make a contribution to the Institute? Press the link in the description and you'll get all the information that you need to do such. We truly appreciate your inquiry. For more information, email priestisaacinstitute@gmail.com.